So this is the second video of our playlist, and in this video we are going to know how to create a application in Django. So let's start it. So this project we was created in for last video. If you're not seeing this video, must go and watch this video. And but in this video we are going to know how to create a application in Django and how to configure it in our settings file properly. So so this is a very basic steps, and currently this is we only create a project known as base application, and we didn't do anything yet. So let's do with opening terminal. And okay, so first we have to activate our virtual environment that we are created. So my virtual environment name is mynv. So we use mynv, then scripts, then activate. So our virtual environment is created. Okay, so for creating a app in Django, there is a very basic command: python manage.py create app, and then what the app name you want. In my case, we want web app. Okay, so this okay, wait a minute, sorry, my mistake. Okay, sorry, mistake. Okay, it's a startup, not create app, sorry. So this app is created, and the name is, and you can see all the required files like models.py, test.views. In next video we will I will describe you properly what the init file does, what admin.py file does, what apps.py file does, everything in another video. But here we just create this app now for now, and let's configure it. So for configuring this app, we have to go to settings.py file, and you can scroll down and you can see there is a section of installed app. So you just need to add this app name. In my case, there is the app name is web app. So you can app just like this, and you're going to save and just run server. So manage.py run server. So by following these steps you can create your app, and you must have to add these apps so Django will know about your app. So thank you so much guys watching this video, and next video we will go through each files of how settings and app as well. Thank you.